Assalamu alaikum dear students. Our today's topic is types of frequency distribution. We have discussed earlier the other types of frequency distribution. Today we will discuss mid-value frequency series. You see, mid-value frequency series are those series in which we have only mid-values of the class intervals and the corresponding frequencies. Now, you see, here's an example mid value given here 5, 15, 25, 35, 45 and frequency 6, 5, 11, 9, 8. Such series may be converted into simple frequency series using the following method. You see, first the mutual difference between mid values is determined, that's I, and second the difference to obtain is reduced to half, that's reduced to half, which when deducted from the mid value gives lower limit of the class interval, and which when added the mid value gives the corresponding upper limit. Thus lower limit is equal to L1 is equal to m minus half of I, and upper limit L2 is equal to m plus half of I, where m is mid value, I is the difference between mid values, and L1 is the lower limit and L2 is the upper limit. Now, conversion of series with mid values into a series with class intervals. Here's the mid value, this is frequency. Now how we will convert this series with mid values into a series with class intervals? Here's the technique. You see, we have already formula here. L1 is equal to m minus half of I. Here L1 is equal to m. M is mid value is here 5, and half of I, you know, I is the difference between mid values, that means 15 minus 5, that is equal to 10, and half of 10 is equal to 5. So L1 is equal to 5 minus 5, that will be equal to 0, and L2 is equal to m1 plus half of I, that's same 5 plus 15 minus 5, that's equal to 10, and half of 10 is equal to 5, that means 5 plus 5, that will be equal to 10. So this is the technique where we will get lower class, where we will get lower limit and upper limit. As you know, now here the mid value is 15, so L1 is called 15 minus half of I, that is difference between mid value, 15 minus 5, that's also 10 by 2, minus 10 by 2, that will be equal to 15 minus 5, that will be equal to 10. Here L2 will get 15 plus 10 by 2, that is equal to 5, 15 plus 5, that will be equal to 20. Here we will get 10, my lower limit 10 and upper limit 20. Here the mid value is 25, frequency is 11 here. How we will get L1 is equal to 25 minus 10 by 2, that will be equal to 5, that means 25 minus 5, that will be equal to 20, and L2, that will be equal to 25 plus half of I, that means 10 by 20, that also equal to 5, that means 25 plus 5, that will equal 30. Here we will get class lower limit 20 and upper limit 30. you see here, and mid value is 35, and 35 minus 25, that will equal 10, and 10 by 2, like here we can get 35 minus 10 by 2, that will equal 5. So 35 minus 5 is equal to 30. We will get lower limit, and upper limit L2 is equal to 35 plus 10 by 2, that will equal to 40. That means lower limit here is 30 and upper limit 40. Same is the case here. When mid value is 45, you can say it. You see, our we will get lower limit, that will be equal to m minus half of I, the difference between mid values, so that will be equal to 45. M here is 45, and half of I, that means difference between the mid values. 45 minus 35 is 10, and half of it, 10 by 2, that will be equal to 5. So 45 minus 5 is equal to 40, and upper limit L2 is equal to 45 plus 10 by 2, that will be equal to 5. 45 plus 5, that will equal to 50. So here, so in this way, this is the technique where we will get this lower limit and upper limit with the help of this formula. This is in this way we can convert a series with mid values into a series with class intervals. Thank you very much.